Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you a new exciting feature that has just released with SalePro. Now with SalePro you can create various discount plans and discounts for specific products and for specific customers. So what you have to do is that first you have to, if you go to the setting module and under that setting module you see two new options has come, discount plan and discount. What you have to do is you have to create a discount plan first and have to assign specific customers for a specific discount plan, and then you can create discount for various discount plans. Okay, so first I like to go to the discount plan. I will create a discount plan and you must have to give a name, a unique name definitely for a discount plan. So in my case I am creating a discount plan named this VIP plan. Okay, and I'm assigning customers for that specific discount plan. I'm selecting Dhiman, and you can also search customer by name and by phone number. This is the phone number 1212. If I type 12, yes. Okay, so I selected two customers for VIP plan and I activate this discount plan, and if I submit the form, then the discount plan has created. Okay, then you can create discount for multiple discount plans. Okay, so I'm going to the discount now. I will create a discount. Okay, I'll create a 10% discount for specific products and I will assign that discount to the VIP plan, discount plan. Okay, so I have to give a unique name, definitely a unique discount name. Let's say that 10% discount, and I also have to select discount plan. I can select multiple discount plan. So in my case there is only one discount plan and I'm selecting it, and you can set this discount for all products, either all products, and you can also set this discount for specific products also. So I am creating this discount for specific products, and then what you have to do is that you have to type the product code, and if you type product code and comma, the product will be added automatically. Let me show you. If I go to the product list and let's consider this product, baby doll. So this is the product code. I am copying it and type it and type comma. As you can see, the product has added. And let's consider another product. Let's consider this product. Okay, I'm copying the product code, paste it down here, type comma, and the earphone is also added. Okay, then you can set a time frame. That means from which date this discount is valid and till which date it is valid also. And I am selecting 3rd February, and the last date of this discount is 28th February. That means through this month this discount will be valid, and you can choose that either this discount will be percentage basis or flat basis, and I am definitely selecting the percentage basis discount to give you a better understanding. And then you have to type the value. That means 10% price will be deducted for these two products. Okay, and and only for the customers who are assigned to the VIP plan. And you can also set that for which day you want to make this discount valid. Okay, so I'm not unchanging anything, and so this discount will be valid for 7 days of the week. Okay, now if I submit the form, and also I also have to put the minimum quantity, that means how much a customer must have to purchase to get this discount. Let's say that the minimum quantity is 2. That means he or she has to buy minimum 2 pieces of this any of this product, and the maximum quantity is 3. That means if he purchase 3 pieces of baby doll or earphone, he will not get any discount because the maximum quantity here is 3. That means if he or she purchase 2 or 3 pieces or any quantity between 2 and 3, he will get discount. Okay, so if I submit the form, yes, the discount has created. And now let's go to the POS page and let's see that if Mr. Dhiman or Mr. Ashfaq will get discount for baby doll and earphone or not. Let's check it from the POS page, and let's check the regular price for baby doll and earphone. The regular price for baby doll is 120, and the regular price for earphone is 250. Okay, now right now the selected customer is walk-in customer. I have to change the customer because walk-in customer is not assigned to the VIP plan. Let's select Mr. Ashfaq. Okay, then I am adding earphone. So the regular price is 250 and customer is not get any discount. Why? Because he must have to purchase minimum 2 pieces of earphone. Otherwise, this discount will not be valid. Okay. So if I increase the quantity, as you can see, the price has decreased, and 10% of 250 is 25, and 25 minus 25 is 225. So the price is changing perfectly. And if I increase the price again, as you can see, 225, and if I increase again, the price has go back to the regular price. Why? Because it exceeds the maximum quantity. The maximum quantity for this discount is 3. That means any quantity between 2 and 3 is valid for this discount. Okay, so if I decrease the quantity again, the price has changed. And let's consider the baby doll also, and the regular price is 120, and if I increase, the discount has implemented. Okay, what about for other customers? Let's say I selected any other customer other than Dhiman and Ashfaq. Let's talk about walk-in customer. Okay, so if I select walk-in customer and if I type baby doll, the regular price has added, and if I increase the price, as you can see, the price is not changing. Why? Because walk-in customer is not assigned to the VIP plan, and this discount is valid only for VIP plan. Sorry. Okay, so if I increase the quantity, the price will not be changed. The price can only be changed for Mr. Dhiman or Mr. Ashfaq. So if I select Mr. Ashfaq again and add earphone and baby doll, and if I increase the quantity, the price has changed. Okay, let's submit the sale, submit the form, pay the bill with cash. Quick cash facility is available. Let's say Mr. Ashfaq gives us a $500 dollar note. So if I type here, as you can see, the change has generated. Submit the form. It is coming. Yes, that's done. The sale has created, and if you check the price has decreased. The regular price is 120, and because he gets some discount, the price has decreased to 108. So that's all for now. I think it will be very convenient for our respected clients to take some measurement that how to set different discount for specific products and for specific customers. So if you like this video, please if you like this video, please share this video in the social media, and you can also and if you do not purchase any license of SalePro, you can purchase a license. It is available in the Code Canyon. I am showing you the link. This is the original product. If you do not purchase the license, a license, you can purchase it. Thank you.